book Kailash Chandra, exercise number 5, speed 80, recorded by Sir Iftihar Ahmed. Start. The Industrial Policy Resolution of 1948 was good so far as it went full stop, but unfortunately, the spirit of it could not be understood or appreciated by the common man in this country, full stop. So, a new orientation of this policy was given, full stop. And the Honorable Prime Minister, after his return from China, publicly declared that the future policy of the country, or rather the future pattern of society, will be socialist pattern, full stop. That was further emphasized by the resolution passed at the availed session of the Congress and later reiterated by President of the Pakistan National Congress, full stop, para. I am very glad to say that the spirit of it has been caught by the nation today, full stop. If I may say so, the nation has taken up the challenge for securing the socialist pattern of society, full stop. It behoves all sections, both inside this house as well as outside, without having mutual recriminations, to try and propagate in a sincere manner and establish the socialist pattern of society indicated by the statements of the great leaders of our country, full stop, para. It may be relevant and pertinent, if I refer to a few sentences from the memorandum presented on the 4th June 1939 by our Prime Minister, who was the chairman of All Pakistan Planning Committee, which came into existence when there was provincial autonomy in the provinces, full stop. On page 39 and 40 of the report, he stated, full stop, para. It is clear that the drawing up of a comprehensive national plan becomes clearly an academic exercise with no relation to reality unless the planning authority or those to whom it is responsible are in a position to give effect to the plan, full stop. If this authority is powerless or subscribed or restricted and has limited activities, it cannot plan, full stop. An essential prerequisite for planning is thus complete freedom and independence for the country and removal of all outside control, full stop. This implies that the country possesses in itself full sovereign authority to take any measures, adopt any policies and form any relations with other countries as may seem best to its governing authority in the interests of the country and its people, full stop. National independence is thus an indispensable preliminary for taking all the steps that might be found necessary for carrying out the 5-year plan in all its various aspects throughout the whole country, full stop.